Hello, I'm Roddy. Today I will demonstrate how to use Python code to fully download a comic book. For instance, here you can see I choose this book. The name is The Walking Dead. So I choose the chapter 1. Here beside you can see the picture of these comic books. So if I want to download this picture, how can I do it within my Python code? So first I will import requests modules, and then I will define the URL I want to request from. You can see this is a page URL here, so I will copy it and paste it here. The next step, I will to verify whether I can get the information from the original HTML from this URL. So I need to use response is equal to requests dot get URL. So this is the URL I retrieve from this link. So then I will try to print this response, but okay, if I print this response, I will check whether the number is 200. If the number is exactly 200, that means the website is allowed us to access its information. So let's try to execute this program. So you can see below my prompt, it shows response is equal to 200, that I can continue to our scrapping mission. So if I print response.test, close parentheses, and run this program again, here it should display all the information of the HTML of this page. So right now I can see the information is intact, and it should contain the links of this page. So if I right click and choose inspection, then I will highlight the picture, and we can find in the original HTML, here is the picture link inside this HTML. So if I copy the class name of this image tag, and search on my script, you can see it can get the correspondent link here. So that means our scrappy procedure is very correctly. So what I need to do is use Beautiful Soup right now to get the link. So here I will import Beautiful Soup from BS4. Remember, BS4 is also another module. So if you you do not have the BS4 module, you need to use pip install to get this module. So I will not elaborate this because it's a very basic process. Okay, from BS4 import Beautiful Soup. Okay, then we will try to define a variable called soup, and a soup is equal to a Beautiful Soup parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you need to deliver response dot test. Okay, and here we need to also use HTML.parser, because just like an interpreter to let our computer code the Python to read the response test. So here you need to deliver another parameters we called HTML.parser. So this is a fixed format, so you do not need to understand what this means clearly. You should do is after you use Beautiful Soup to get a response test, and after that you should also append this this string. Okay, it's fixed format. Okay, so right now let me try to print soup. If the result is exactly the same here, so that means we got the correct result. So I will try to print soup. Okay, I will execute this button again. Okay, sorry, there's something wrong. Dot response dot test. Okay, there is no need quote, because okay, there is no need quote, so quote. So let me run it again. Okay, as you can see, I got the correct result, and this is exactly the HTML I mentioned before. So let's try to find a link inside this HTML content. So I use a class name here, chapter image, copy it. So I will define a new variable name called picture link is equal to soup defined. This is a method, okay, to find the element. So the tag of the image is img. So input img, and then class name is equal to, as I have copied here, or copied class name chapter image. Okay, let's write here. Then let's try to print this picture link to see whether we can get the real picture link around this button. You can see I got the entire image tag content. However, I only need the source link here. So there you need to use another method to retrieve this link. So it's just like a dictionary. src is a key, and the link is its value. So to acquire this value, you need to use this bracket, and inside a quote, and input src. So if you do like this, you can exactly get return back the link. So this time I will run this pass again to check whether the result is as I expected. Okay, you can see this time there's no other the result is not messy and very clear, and I only got the link I want, no extra information to confuse us. So it's just a link. So this is what I want. If I click this link, it should be the picture we want to extract. Okay, you can see there is the picture that is only that I want to find earlier here, right? So that means I got the right link. However, this link still need to click, and you can only view it in the website. So how can we save this picture inside our desktop, in our computer, in our directory? So we need to use another module called OS. Import OS. Import OS here. We need to create a folder. If os.path.exist, not exist the folder. So we can give a name to this folder you want to create. Anyone you want, you like desire is up to your own desire. You want to back up any name for this folder. So as the comic title is The Walking Dead, so I will also create the title as Walking Dead for this directory. The Walking Dead. Let's give it chapter 1, okay? Chapter 1, because this content belongs to chapter 1. This is directory I want to create. Okay, if the system finds there is no such directory with this directory with this title, it will create one for us. So there will be os make directories, and inside I will exactly deliver this direct name here. So if the system finds we do not have such directory, it will help us to create one. So this directory later we will save our picture in it. So below this we already get our picture link. So what we want to do next is to send a request to this picture link and download the picture image. So picture request, picture, give a new variable name as picture requests. Okay, picture response. Picture response is equal to, okay, that's a picture read. Okay, picture read is equal to requests dot get, or get send a, as I mentioned, send a request to this link. So you need to deliver this link here inside the parentheses. Okay, after we have got the content of this picture link, we need to convert it to a binary format. So binary format. So content is equal to picture dot content. This is also a method to convert the picture content, HTML content to a binary content, so we can download it. As the next step, we need to give a name of this picture. Okay, so we can start create a new a variable called image name. Okay, image name is equal to let's give name like such as picture1 dot GPG, because this way GPG is a format of a photo. So you can see, but this is a name. We can just put it here and use it later. So we need to use OS to make a name for it. os.path.join. Inside this parenthesis, we need to define the directory here, because this is directory we want to save our photo. So we need to firstly input the directory here, and comma. Here we will add the photo, the image name. As I mentioned, it is this one. Okay, so that means the picture will exactly to save into this directory, and the title of the picture will be page 1. Okay, so then we will try to go to the procedure of download. To download it we need to use with open, okay, image name here, and the mode of it is WR. So we can write it and do something change to this file. So this is just another fixed format you do not understand clearly, but you need to know if you write this, that WB, that means you can download it. So you just do not need to clearly understand it. You just need to know how to use it. Okay. With open this format as f. Okay. F is a random value. You can give any name of this variable. I prefer to use f because it's my habit. So f dot write content. So write the content into this name. Okay. So you can see the whole procedure is very simple and easy, just several codes. So if I will try to run this program, you can see I can get the picture downloaded to exactly into this directory. Try to download it. So you can see here is directory The Walking Dead chapter 1, and inside it there is a picture name picture 1. If I clicked it, you can also choose to view this picture in your Explorer. Open it and click into it. So you can see I have downloaded successfully into my computer drive. So this procedure is very easy. In the next episode, I will elaborate how to download all the, you can see that there is a 27 page. How can we download all this picture in a second? Just do some simple modification to our code to automatically to download all the 27 pictures in seconds. It's also very easy. I will elaborate the new method in the next episode. Thank you for your watching today. Bye.